Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams step by step in this 2025 tutorial. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams on your computer or phone and sign it to your account. Join a start a meeting to access the background settings. Before joining, you'll see a camera preview screen. Click or tap background filters next to the camera toggle. You can choose from blur, preloaded images, or add new image to upload your own custom background. Select the one you like and preview how it looks behind you. If you're already in a meeting, click More Actions, the three dots in the toolbar, then choose Effects and Avatars and pick your preferred background from there. Once applied, your background will stay the same for future meetings unless you change it again. And that's how to change your background in Microsoft Teams quickly and easily in 2025.